Now the mobile here. Oh, umbrella. I'm as more now. Watch a t-shirt. And there's I weekend, the dance or town to miss me beg t-shirt. Man, put me by the postcard woman who sent to miss me. They lie to you, say you don't need qualification. They lie to you, say you don't need the technical know-how. Because onim say so man who say we hear sa niama na obi te say kwabena minta kando on to aba man say on koye MP because what you know bie Akufo-Addo set COVID tax scheme wo mu ye adwuma de boa Ghana ye agi edin no na ye papa Mahama so ono dwene Ghana ho chi obi so call it nipa 280 something people Ebola mbedu Ghana unse who's getting na ye die such a disease aba Nasa wo set up committee minia nanke ye expect say committee ya papa Mahama set ye no anka at least one suggestion from them say oh yes so NDC caucus yet na say ye health expert no ya bebe hu say ye A B C a ebeboa instead ye try 100 million to and schedule so the first 25 million and the schedule so and the scale there and 25 million such president we on Ghana this was problem in Takando president we on nipa ho hey asem case say about 25 million pen to me they say obi no Akufo-Addo has lost it Akufo-Addo hey erade Moses sikani so yeah be your batampa budget and your copy is kakakran and yes adia. Yeah, 200 million COVID alleviation fund. Hey, 100 million, hey. Yeah, Mr. President is stealing money. Hey, 100 million. Hey, I can't buy tears here. Hey, 100 million, 100. Never your bay for crowd in your coupon, your mobile frag gun, Papa Yesu. There's a demonic, there's a wicked minded, deliberate pretenders like Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Just say, what kind of boka party be you boka Jimmy party be you and this for? My God Almighty. Asamaba sekeni home. President ama finance minister. Ajeje nensase 25 million ejayan fambo ase for now. And this for to who good street so says sekeni so. The money is not enough. We read the budget and we increase it. Hey, Debbie. Hey, Debbie, Yampini, Sikano Dosso, no. And now, Kwabraminta Kando Jina Parliament to say the COVID effort has not been prudent. The vaccines, Crawford war vaccine. And then I'm saying, no news agency be nature. Yeah, the gamma phone in the move, more vaccine, more vaccine. Yes, yeah, what Ghana phone was a young. I can't do vaccine now, which now I will person would be good buying anymore. Ghana 40 Ghana also young one vaccine because Kwasiabia your friend Captain Smart. But down for Jimmy for Papa Cronphobia will bear we are say why you're not gonna say one not dear what the true chrono and the believe in the life and unto uncan no creda not your KBI tro Captain Smart Bessie way me who say papa way up and the TV no so say no me and kwasia TV no so akenyansa sem da and there oba no obedi abayatem asemu a won tiasie no okeka kwasia bi sa no agina ho why your nanim tum said that the saying say Captain Smart see a pro na nim se kwa me short aboa bi sa no onu begina o meka me yentia Akufo-Addo abon Akufo-Addo enima membo Akufo-Addo aye niama basa Akufo-Addo ene baomia o ma bombon ada no ma bombon because kasa preko na wo hodada and omodi om ho akotare ho se omo ye kasa preko won say Captain Smart na dwene ye adwuma minu ya wo so we nyansani mi bisa wasem Nkrumah factories are NDC for ni PNDC for tonton yo metina ho egu ye no sanko wo mu disika semu dia na egu no e na tumi peja ni mu amepa ton kenya Ghana mabunu na be ya kenne e na be ya adwuma ho Captain Smart enyuma na Nkrumah hye ye no NDC for to me disika semu na ejina ya anka wo ma na wawo mo 10 no ma na wawo mo two no wo mu na benya mu adwuma ye enyam preko e na be ya adwuma ho Kasa preko. The struggles they were going through. To the point, say, Akaye Tompo liquidation time. And I'm a fee. 2014, we are fee. Kasa preko limited. We are fee. Gihok distilleries. Na e kosen. Gihok hono. Gihok na e kosen. Now we are smart government here. They will continue to be the best president. I love Kufuor so much, but Kufuor and Bawumia will be the best president ever because they are so tactful and innovative. Very, 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 very tactful and innovative. We are buying waba. What the policy be about say? One district, one factory. According to the policy, no. Government in conjunction with private sector. Keyword. Government in conjunction. Abang any ankre ebe boom asset up factories. That was a policy document. Enti bisa asemu. Me ya abang maba. Gihok wowe. Ya diska kakra shem. Emo support ni peja omu betumi succeed afa ni pa adwuma amanfo NDC for te ho se ye ni adwuma yo Gihok egu ye peja Gihok mu ba ye benya Ghana babunu atumi akoye adwuma ewo Gihok NDC for se enya depa Captain Smart say ewo hodada ene ye de ho akwakoban na wo wo se wo ye nyansani ni wabisa ho se 90 se company wo ho na egu na se yetumi ye mane be ye nyane fa nipa sebe enya adepa minua Anglo Gold Ashanti Goldfields engu yantum before 2016 yantum Otumfo didn't go and plead with Mahama Akufo Addo baye prudence inti and gold mine obo ase ye adwuma Goldfields ye adwuma ya fe nipa omo ye adwuma ho but now due to lack of management due to mismanagement due to yedi and yane namunti no sika ez yedi shemu na rane obo ase Goldfields na nyamu sika no ne ye mfa nye enu nti na ka ho ese yetum na so obi ba no be masa and Goldfields na ye adwuma ya fa Santini akola ya fo Egbeni akola ya fa Fantini kola ya fa Kroboni kola ya fa Seremoni kola ya fa Bunu Nicola wo mu ni na ehye wa wo mu ye adwuma enya bidie edi bi koma omabusua o se yenye no do am se yenya atwom Kwabena Minta Kando stood on the floor of parliament Mutie stood on the floor of parliament say vaccines ne yen wo ye making because of more NDC for not the amo person mo be come budget statement intino mo said that the Tegus put in the so at the papa chain also left